Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. In today's video, I have a very special guest, which is MelodySusie's brand new press-on nails. Now, they sent me these two. I'm kind of like leaning towards that one today, but I am just so excited to try these out. They're brand new, they're on their website. I'll put all of like the styles up on the screen next to me. And don't forget that when you check out at their website, if you decide to purchase these, that you can use my code LNBGen and you can get 12% off any order. And before we move on, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. I know a lot of people are watching and have yet to subscribe. It is free and it totally helps me out. So let's move on. Okay, so like I said, I think I'm going to try this one out today, but each of these comes with 24 nails, so that's about like 2 sets that you can get out of it. And I just want to pop this open really quickly. I think I probably already did. So it comes with everything that you need. You've got a little file, your alcohol pad, and your little stickies. Now, the thing about these little sticker pads is that they are like a very thin glue that's supposed to fit your natural nail, and it apparently is supposed to help these nails last up to 2 weeks long, which is kind of crazy. Now, I can tell you right now, I will never wear these for 2 weeks because I just don't wear my nails that long. And then on the back, they have all of the instructions. So it says to cut your nails short and file the sides and cuticle area. So I am going to push back my cuticles and just lightly file the top of them. And then I'm going to clean them with the alcohol pad and we will size everything up. So quickly, let's just do that. Let me get that reflective surface out of here before I get yelled at during editing. So I am just using my own cuticle pusher. Now, you probably could, you could use the orange wood stick in there, which, you know what, maybe I should just do that for the sake of this video. I'll use their little package here. I have never, ever, 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 ever used these stickers to put on press-on nails. Normally, I always use glue, so I'm a little nervous about today, but here we go. I had prepped my nails last week, so they shouldn't be too bad. And typically what I do, guys, is I will update you on Instagram if anything breaks or something falls off. And I'll also try to update you at the beginning of next video if I can remember. But I have a lot of videos that I'm filming back to back, so I should be able to like update it within the next few videos. You'll see what's going on. You know what I mean? Okay, this ain't working for me. I'm sorry. I need this guy. I need the bigger space, and it's just kind of stronger. It gets all that stuff that's up on the nail plate. Like you see back here, it just kind of missed all of this. Like I have to get all that stuff up or it drives me nuts. So yes, my voice is still a little scratchy. My son got some kind of virus from camp this week and brought it home, and there was like this snotty-nosed little kid in one of the Facebook videos, and I'm like, ugh, blah, blah, blah. So gross. So he probably got it from him. Sorry if you're watching and that's your kid, but I highly doubt it. He was like blowing bubbles out of his nose. Friggin' gross, man. Like, it's disgusting. Okay, done with that part. Let's go ahead and use our little file here. And I'm just gonna buff. This is so hard to do because I'm used to doing this with an e-file and I'm using my non-dominant hand. So I'm really trying to buff like all this stuff that's on the back of the nail plate, especially like all that dead skin and whatnot. Now, I mean, obviously you could go the extra mile and like use an e-file and whatnot, but like this is supposed to be like an easier application. So like, why would you, you know? I love using press-ons when like I'm in the middle of sets, like right now, and I've got one hand that's not done and I've got like somewhere to be the next day. I could just pop on a press-on and like go, you know. So I have a dentist appointment tomorrow and I don't want to look like a crazy person with one hand done, like I usually do. This nail file is very thin, very tiny. I feel like I'm using like a Barbie doll nail file or something. I get it. This is what comes in these sets. They're not going to give you like a full-size nail file. If you want to whip one out, go right ahead. Be my guest. Okay, so now I'm just wiping all the dust off my nails with the alcohol pad. I went ahead and sized everything out. I don't know how to like match these up because there's no sizes on these things, so I'm just gonna try my best to pick the right size, I guess. I don't know, man. These are really pretty. Like, if you couldn't tell what they were in the box, they're this really gorgeous, like, chrome ombre, like, pink to purple. And I don't know. I'm kind of obsessed with them. I think they're really gorgeous. I can't wait to, like, maybe add a little bling to them. Maybe, you know? So, I guess we'll start with the pinky. And I didn't get the smallest. I got, like, the next size. Oh, so you just, like, peel this whole thing off. I'm going to break this in half. And that'll be like for the next set, basically. So you take this. Okay, so you peel this whole thing off. I gotcha. And then then you peel from the tab, but try to get the sticker with you, obviously. Oh my God, like I just can't stop touching it. I'm trying to get it organized. Like, and I'm trying not to get it too far back, but also like far enough back that, you know, it's on the nail. Okay, and then I'm just pressing it out. And then I'm going to peel this piece off, like so, leaving the little sticker behind, and then I'm going to press this nail on top. Ooh. And, I mean, the scary thing with press-on nails is, like, you only get, like, one chance with them, because, well, I guess that I could move around a little bit. All right, and then you have to hold it down for, like, 10 seconds, so. Okay, looks good. Very cute. Very cute. Oh, it's like almost translucent, but you can't see my natural nail, you know, because of the chromeness of it. But when you look at it from the side, it is almost like a see-through. Interesting. Okay, let's do one more. I think I'm just going to grab, this is how I'll do it. I'll do it like this. Maybe I'll grab this one right here for my ring finger. Like, I can't stop touching it. That's the problem. Like, I feel like I'm wearing the stickiness off. I wonder if using tweezers with these would be easier. Okay, so then I press that down and peel it off. Oh God. Oh no, there's like part of this sticker left. Is it? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, I got nervous. And then I kind of like, when I do press-ons, I kind of like stick it into the back of my cuticle so it looks more realistic. And then adjust it so it's not crooked, of course. And then hold it down for 10 seconds. It's super easy. Okay, 2 down. I'm going to do the rest and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm going to add like a little bit of zhuzh to them. And I'm going to add, I have these like clear crystals. And I thought they would go really nice with these nails. And I'm going to top coat them with a gel top coat too, because I feel like that will just add some strength. So I'm just going to go ahead and put like my crystal glue on my nail. And then I will top coat everything. I just want to get that on there. And then let's get the gems on, baby. I just feel like, I don't know, press-ons to me are so fun because you can essentially do like whatever you want with them. You can dress them up, you can keep them the way that they come. Like, it just, there's so many possibilities. And this was definitely the easiest nail set I've ever done on my channel, especially. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this little, I don't know, rhinestone look here. And yeah. It's like so hard to see this, but they're like clear crystals. I don't know. I just thought it looked cool on here. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't know. I might switch them out for AB crystals. Like, it looks cool in person, but on camera you can't really, I don't know. It's just not picking it up the way that I want it to. So I think I'm going to switch it out, but I'm going to do the exact same formation and I'm just going to switch it to like, I think to these like AB crystals over here. Sorry guys. All right, well, I'll be back once they're all done and crystallified, okay? I figured I would just show you doing my thumb because she's so cute. Let me see if I can get this to focus. So I did these crystals on the other hand, and then for the thumb, I just wanted to put a little heart on there. It is so hard to see because it is so reflective, but oh, she's so cute. So I'm just kind of getting these in a straight line and getting them exactly where I want them to be. And let me just make sure they're straight. Oh, God, that just gave me a cramp in my thumb. Did you see that? Okay, you guys can't even see it. It's so gorgeous and it looks amazing. Like the gems, you don't have to add crystals to your press-on nails by any means, but I just feel like it just adds a little something. So I have to finish curing all of these. Oh my gosh, thank God I pulled that out because my heart said I'm going sideways, honey. So let me just put her in that way for a second. Okay, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you like the finished look. I know it's really hard to see on camera. Maybe I'll turn my lights down a little bit so you can see it because everything is so reflective, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished press-on set. And as you can see, I added some bling, nothing too crazy to the rest of the nails, but this one I went a little ham on, and the thumb, I added a cute little heart. I don't know, it was so fun. I was done with these nails in literally like 2 minutes, and I just felt like adding something else to them. I'm gonna try to dim my lights just a bit to see if possibly you can see the bling any better. That kind of helped. Yeah, so you can see the heart. Let me turn it down like really low. Oh my gosh, they're even prettier like with dim lights. Like they're so gorgeous. So these were really cool. I'm super happy that I got to try them out. And again, they have this new like jelly sticker that they use to apply the nails, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. I will tell you, like, she's on there. It's not popping off. Could you imagine if that just popped right off? That'd be so embarrassing. But it's not going, like, she's not going anywhere. I'm going to put a little bit of cuticle oil if I can find some cuticle oil. I have like thousands of them and I can't find one because my nails, they're looking a little crusty. But my God, this was so quick and so easy, and these are only $12.99 on their website. And right now they have like a deal going on where I think it's like buy 3 get 30% off, which is a steal in my opinion. I think that's super inexpensive for some cute little press-on nails, and honestly, like, they're just a quick, easy solution to when you just don't feel like going all out. And as you can see, you can still dress them up and do whatever you want with them. So thank you so much, MelodySusie, for sending me these nails and sponsoring this video today. And thank you guys once again for being here and watching my channel. Before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.